Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Sky. We're gonna be playing today. It's a beautiful game. If you've seen my previous video, then you know it's an amazing game, and I thoroughly enjoy it. So let's just get started. Wait, downloading. I don't know if I should have to go through here. I think I have to go through here. Yeah, I have to go through here because there's somewhere in Daylight Prairie. I guess I'm on this way. Fly, bro. Don't just stand there. You're gonna fall through the clouds like wow. Nice one, bro. What is it? Okay. I lit it, bro. You need another player to activate it? I don't have friends. Oh, hey. Alright, bet. There's another person. Thing. Bruh. Oh, we did it. Yo, thank you so much. I don't know who you are, but what was that? Here, bro? Oh. Cool. Oh, okay. They're carrying a bell. They're still carrying a bell. Or he just got spiked. I can't really tell what that was. Okay, they got tired. They got lazy. Okay. Sounds like the usual. Sounds like me every day. Can I climb? No, I'll just jump. Okay, cool. Again, same thing. Those eyes look really far apart, bro. I don't think that's how the face is supposed to be. Oh. There's one more. Okay, there it is. What to do here? Okay, light him up. Okay. Okay, they put the final piece. Cool. How's the ghost clapping? Okay, I didn't expect that. Oh, I could clap now. Okay. The light tribute. Okay, another candle. Cool. Alright, bet. Let me light you up, bro. Okay, I guess you. Okay. Whatever. Plant a message for players to read. Here. Why not? Let's go over there, see what's over there. Can I ride one of these? That's my question. Can I get on top of it? Oh, I can't. No. Can I? No, I can just go through it. Okay, that's It's not cool. Go backwards. Alright, let's head over here. So it's over here. Oh, I found another one. Cool. Okay, I have a red dot. That means I can clap. Cool. Okay, I can clap now, guys. That's pretty dope. Please don't tell me I need another player, because I don't think another one's gonna come by and save me. No, I don't. Okay, cool. Go. Go, young one, go. Just sand, grass thing? No. What's this world? We're singing. I need 2 of 6. What? How am I gonna get 2 of 6? Alright, they're bringing up broken Lego pieces. I don't know what's in their hand. I'm so confused right now. Where am I supposed to go? Where'd they go? Oh, there's a bunch of other people. Nice. Oh, there they are. More Lego pieces. Oh, so someone opened it then. Because there was a gate there. I realize things very late, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, it activates this guy. Liddy. He's gonna get Liddy right now, okay. The power gods composes him. What are they doing? Oh, it's that guy with the staff again. Oh, I have the laughing, now I can just taunt people while I want. Is that all I learn? Okay, cool. Yeah, and I think I need one more, just so I can go to that sky temple up there, I think. No, I'm supposed to go all the way up there or there? Oh, that's a mission, bro. That's a whole mission. What are you... Alright. Now I can taunt people. That just make a noise. Cool. Alright, let's continue. I think, oh, yeah, okay, over there, that's a goal. Alright, click this, what's this? I don't think I do it right now. But... Okay. Oh, I need a friend. Oh, thank you, someone's here. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, thanks, buddy. Might as well use them. Oh shit. Does it want me to go? Oh, it's just the... Okay, it's over there. I'm trying. And then I think this is the master. What was that? I don't know what they just did, but thanks. I think they're doing it for me. That's what friends are for. How come all of them look... Why do I have some, like, weird, generic beats on my face? Falling asleep on the job, sounds like the usual. A visual representation of what I look like. Nice. We're all just doing it at the same time. Weird visual apparatus going into the air. I think I have to go up there next. I'm like 100% sure. Okay, he's doing it now. Okay, cool. candle thingy in my hand. I think I'm forgetting. I think I should have gotten like the wave thing before, but it's okay. So, I need to go there? Where am I going now? Do I just go straight down here? No, no I don't. No I do not. No I don't. Okay, so I'm just gonna head back. Hope the clouds don't engulf me. Okay, I go over there. Why am I going over here? Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's just the person helping. Okay. What's this? Oh, I think this is a second part to it. Okay. Keep going up. Yeah, because I think I needed something else, but okay, here he is. He's looking up. I think he's trying to figure out how to do it. Oh, there's someone up here. Wow, I did not see that. Wow. Here you go, buddy. Light you up real quick. Oh, he's cleaning it on. He's doing his job. Wow. That's a whole entire boat of Legos. Either he's saying he missed them, or he's saying goodbye. Oh, here's the hello one. Okay, I thought I was missing that. Okay, cool. Oh, so I have everything. Nice. Could I officially make it to my people? How am I supposed to make it though? Wait, no, seriously guys, how am I supposed to... Well, this is gonna be a little difficult. Do I ride one of these? I'm gonna try again. Oh! Oh! What is this? What is this showing? Ho ho! I'm a genius. Look at this. Look at this. Watch, watch, watch. I'm just gonna take a quick nap. Over there, bro? Oh, crap, I fall. Okay. Thanks, buddy. Do I just walk right through, or... Okay, okay, I was about to say. Here, let me light you up real quick, buddy. There you go. Let's go. Oh, here's all the Legos. I think the boat crashed. Pretty hard, too. Let me light all these up. I don't know, I feel like I have to light them up, or I don't. I don't know, but I kind of do. Yo, just... Okay, there you go. It's not that complicated. Just put the candle right there. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Some key right there. That one likes to light the 3 candles right there. And we have people. Okay, that doesn't normally happen, but we're gonna... What's going on here? Small guy. So he's a magician. Okay, so this time I didn't touch anything and everything's working fine. Okay, note to self, don't touch things where you're not supposed to. Oh, so I think I unlocked everything. Who was that random guy? It's just a random person just having a little, like, seizure walking. Okay, I'm not touching. Okay, I can touch now. Oh! Oh, we unlocked a new area. Cool! Wow! Alright, bet. Alright guys, I don't have to do it for this video today, but tomorrow, we're gonna continue this lovely... What the hell? Okay, well, there's people dancing. Okay, we're just gonna continue that. Alright, so I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you everyone for watching and have a lovely evening. Goodbye.